So in this video, I'll tell you guys 10 tips and tricks that you can try out on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Starting off with the number one thing, when you set up the watch for the first time, you will get this watch face. That's a cool looking face, but you can make it even better and informative. Just long press on this watch face and tap on Customize. Now choose Complications and add Compass. In this way you will see a live compass on your watch face. Plus you can add another complication here from this list. For example, let's choose barometer. Now your atmospheric pressure will be also updated here in real time. But I really like the live compass complication, so don't forget to check it out. Next you can finally arrange your apps in groups and folders thanks to Wear OS 4.0. So to make a folder in menu, long press on an app and drag it over onto another app. After that, folder will be made and you can rename it too, like this. Plus you can also change color of this folder by tapping here and just choose color of your choice. Later on you can add more apps by tapping on this plus icon. And to remove a folder, just take out those apps from it. With Galaxy Watch 6, Samsung has introduced a new watch face called as Photo Sticker. This face allows you to use any image of your choice as a sticker for your watch face. For example, I can change the layout of this face. After that, I can change my image for this face. So let's just choose this image. You can also zoom in and zoom out on this image using your fingers. In this way, a sticker will be always there on your watch face in the form of an image. Galaxy Watch 6 has a voice recorder, but special thing about it is that now you can convert speech to text. Simply tap here after opening the app. Now it says convert up to 10 minutes of speech into text. So let's just try it. Samsung Galaxy Watch is an amazing smartwatch. It is saved in the form of memo. Now if I tap here, it will play the audio. But if I tap here on this card, now you can see that we have the text from that speech. So this will be a lot handy for taking notes, and these memos will be also synchronized with your phone. You can finally use Galaxy Watch to check temperature of surrounding objects as well as of your own body. Samsung last month announced a new app that will be available for Wear OS 4, and this is the thermocheck app. You have to download it from Google Play Store. After installing the app, you can choose between temperature of living or water. Let's choose this one. Tap on one time. Now choose the surface that you want to measure temperature of. For example, I want to check temperature of this surface. I will choose plastic and wood. Now it says to remove your watch from your wrist and bring it near the object. Once again, this is not suitable for medical purpose, so keep that thing in mind. After that, it shows you the temperature. Sometimes it's close to actual reading and sometimes it's not, but I am glad that finally this sensor is put to some use. You can change the units by going into settings, which is present in main menu. So you can check it out. Next, if you think animations on your Galaxy Watch 6 are a bit slow, you can make them faster. Simply go to settings, scroll down and tap on About Watch. Now choose Software Information and tap multiple times on Software Version. Developer mode will be turned on your watch. Now go back and choose Developer mode. Scroll down and choose Window Animation Scale, present here, and change it to 0.5x. In the same way, change Transition Animation Scale to 0.5x too. Now your apps will load faster and animations will be overall quicker. Google Assistant is available for Galaxy Watch 6, but once again by default it is not turned on. So to use Google Assistant, go to Play Store on your watch, scroll down and tap on Manage Apps. Here you will see update for Google Assistant. just update this app. Once updated, go back in main menu and tap on Google Assistant. Set it up and you're good to go. Also, you can customize this home button, which is right now assigned to Bixby, but you can change it to Google Assistant. Next, you can change music on your phone just from your watch. This setting by default is not turned on. So to turn it on, go to Settings, choose Display, and now you will see Show Media Control option. Turn it on. Now whenever any music will play on your phone, you will see this little icon here. You can tap on it to change music, volume, and also you can change audio output too. You can use Quick Launch feature on your Galaxy Watch to turn on any app or service. For example, I can move my wrist like this to turn on flashlight. In the same way, you can use any other app of your choice. So go to Settings. Now choose Advanced Features. Scroll down and tap on Quick Launch. By default, this is also turned off. Turn it on and choose any app or service of your choice. In this way, you can open any app just with your wrist gesture. In the same way, you can also answer and end calls with gestures. So under Gestures, turn on Answer Call option. And keep in mind that it says this works with the phone app and it might not work with other calling apps. Next, you can turn on Skin Temperature during sleep. The sensor on the back will monitor your skin temperature during sleep. For this, go to Samsung Health app. Scroll down and choose Settings. Now you will see this skin temperature setting during sleep. Just turn it on. This temperature will appear in Samsung Health app only after a few nights of sleep tracking with this watch. You can lock your watch with a pin or pattern as soon as you take it off. For this, go to Settings. Choose Security and Privacy present here. Now tap on Lock Type and choose Pin or Pattern. In this way, data on your watch will remain safe when it's not on your wrist. In the end, you can take screenshots on your Galaxy Watch by pressing back and home key at the same time. These screenshots will be saved to gallery of your watch, which now also has an option of pictures, albums and stories. Camera controller with Galaxy Watch 6 has been also refined. Now you can zoom in and zoom out using bezel on your watch. And also we have the option of video this time, which was not available before. So these were the tips and tricks that you should try out on your Galaxy Watch 6. I will share even more. Just make sure you are subscribed and turn on notifications so you never miss any update. And that was all about for today's episode. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.